How to play YouTube music in background on Android for free. This tutorial shows you how to keep music playing even when your screen is off or using other apps. First, open your web browser on your Android device like Chrome or Samsung Internet. Next, tap on the three dots menu in the top right corner. Following that, tap on Settings to access browser settings. Now, look for Desktop Site or Request Desktop Site option. Moving forward, enable the Desktop Site toggle to switch to desktop mode. Afterwards, go back and navigate to music.youtube.com in your browser. In addition to that, sign in to your YouTube Music account if you haven't already. Once there, find the song or playlist you want to play. Subsequently, tap on the song to start playing it in the browser. Moreover, press the home button or lock your screen. Afterwards, the music will pause automatically when you leave the browser. Then, swipe down from the top to open the notification panel. Within the music notification, you'll see playback controls. Alternatively, tap the play button in the notification to resume the music in the background. Once playing, the music will continue even with your screen off or while using other apps. Then you can control playback from the notification panel or lock screen. And that's it. If this background play workaround helped you enjoy YouTube music for free, drop a like, subscribe for more Android music tips, and hit the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.